so today I'm going to be doing a buy or buy video on some of the newest, cutest Korean lip tints that I recently purchased from Rose Shop, and they look like little ring pops. I thought they were so adorable. These are by the Face Shop. They are called the Jewel Ring Lip Tints, and I just couldn't get over it. It like reminds me of my childhood and like ring pops and how cute they are. So I ended up getting all 4 colors, and I will share with you guys all of the colors, what they look like, what I think about them, and if I would recommend them or not. So first things first, I'm going to apply one. Like I said, there are 4 different colors. There are 2 that come in this like pink outer package, and there are 2 that come in like a blue outer package. So out of all 4 of these, I think I'm gonna go with number 3. This one is called Bling Pink. So I'm gonna apply this really quickly and show you guys how it goes on. So this is the packaging. Of course, like I said, it's so cute. You can see all of the product in here. And how you open it is the little ring part here unscrews like that. And there is a little lip brush here that you use to apply the product. So I'm going to apply number 3. This one's called Bling Pink, and yeah, so let's apply it. So if you want, you can apply it very sheerly, kind of like around the center of the lips to kind of give that ombre popsicle lip look, but I prefer to apply these just full on all over my lips, so that's how I'm going to apply it. Okay, so that is the color Bling Pink, and if you follow me on Instagram, I like to sometimes do little teaser videos for some of my beauty product review videos and things, so I worked so hard on this little teaser. It's only like 30 seconds, but I think I spent more time on this teaser than I did on like this entire video. So I just went to insert that now to share with you guys all of the colors and the swatches, and yeah, just so you guys can see it, because I only have like, you know, 50 followers on Instagram, and probably like 5 people see the videos that I upload on there. So yeah, I'm going to insert that now so you can see all the colors. So yeah, that was a really cute little teaser, huh? So if you guys want to see any more videos like that, I typically post those on my Instagram, so definitely go follow me there if you want to see kind of like sneak peeks or, you know, any kind of cute little bonus videos that I have. That's probably where they're going to be uploaded. And I got mine from Rose Shop. I checked today and the prices of them were $5.96 a piece, so, you know, not bad. I think that's, you know, really standard price for a lot of really cute Korean lip tints, so as far as the price, I think that's decent. So the first one here is the pink one. This is number 1, and it's called Orange Carat. The second one is number 2. This one is like in a cute little blue package. This one is called Ruby Red. Then the third one is another pink packaged one. This one is called Bling Pink. And then finally the fourth one, again a blue package, and this one is called Burgundy Carat. Now, to be completely honest, are they that different from a lot of Korean lip tints? I find that lip tints in general are some of the most like similar products that I find in K-beauty, just because like really they only offer like maybe 3 to 4 different types of color shades in lip tints. So you're gonna have like a pinkier one, maybe an orange one, a red one, and then like a deeper kind of like reddish burgundy kind of color. So I definitely think if you already have a ton of Korean lip tints and you like those, I really don't think these are necessary to buy. But if you love the packaging of them, and if you just want to get like one to kind of, you know, have in your collection, I definitely think it's totally worth it for about $5 to $6 a piece. I think it's super cute. I would probably recommend one of the lighter 2 just for me personally, because I find that these 2, they show up really pure and pigmented on the lips without going patchy. The darkest one here is the Burgundy Carat one. That one I was wearing last night, and it just is one of those colors that the deeper it goes, the more patchy they tend to kind of be, or, you know, they will kind of unevenly stain the lip. That's just kind of my personal opinion with the darker lip tints. And another thing I would say is like how similar the colors are. Now, I guess they are all 4 different colors, but if I had to say, I'd say number 1 and number 2 are very close looking color-wise, and then I would say number 3 and number 4 are very close color-wise. So if you were only gonna get 2, I'd say pick one of 1 or 2 and pick one of 3 or 4. That way you're getting a little bit more variation from color to color, because honestly, like isolated, number 1 and 2 do look very similar on the lips, and so does 3 and 4. I really like the texture of these because they're not so thin and water-like. There are plenty of Korean brands that do these lip tint type of products, and I have to say majority of them are very extremely similar, but some of their formulas can vary just a little bit. So I've tried some that are literally like as thin as water, and those I like because they're very like, you can make them very sheer or you can build them up, but they're a little bit harder to work with because those, you know, can kind of like run every which way and bleed a little bit. But this one I have to say is a little bit closer to more of like a super thin gel kind of formula. I would still definitely consider this very thin because it does have that water-like texture, but it's not as thin as other ones I've tried, like the, what's one, the Peri Para Vivid Waters. Those like really have a watery texture. These I definitely think are more of like a gel kind of finish, so you don't have to worry about these kind of bleeding as much, which is definitely a good thing in my opinion. And another thing I like about this particular formula is that these I feel like are very buildable. You can get a very light sheer wash if you really like, you know, scrape most of the product off and like kind of blur it into your lips, or you can totally build it up to a super full kind of coverage like I like to wear these. And another good thing I like about these is I find that they don't necessarily get as gummy as other ones I've tried. There was one I had, I think it was from, what was it called? I think it was one of the Pony Effect ones, and it was like the Wish lip tints. A few months ago I did a video showing you all of my Korean lip tints in my collection, and I kind of gave mini reviews on those. So I think that was one of them that kind of would gum up a bit, or like sometimes the Chateau Labiat ones that look like little wine bottles, sometimes those could get a little bit gummy on the lips. This one I feel doesn't necessarily do that as easily. Maybe after like quite a few hours of wear, it will kind of get a tiny bit of that gummy kind of texture, but you can easily just blot off most of the product where you won't have that texture, but you'll still have all the color of the product. So that's another really good bonus I have of this. But going back to the brush again, even though it's kind of cute and obviously like it fits like the packaging of the ring pop kind of theme, it is a little bit hard to apply because this brush is so extremely short. You got to get really close to your lips and like, you know, kind of angle it in a way to where you can kind of see over the like little plastic bit of the ring. So I'd say it takes just a tiny bit more time for me to apply these because the actual like lip wand is so short, but it's definitely doable and not really that big of a deal, just a minor thing to keep in mind. And these, as far as lasting power, really are a good strong stain. This, like, I scrubbed in the shower because I did swatches last night and you can still see remnants of the color, and I like scrubbed and scrubbed in the shower. So as far as like how long these last, I definitely have a lot of the color left on. Even after I've wiped it off at night and I wake up the next morning, I still got a lot of like color still there. As far as how these wear off though, I do notice that quite a bit of the product is going to come off mainly in the center part of my lip. So like really like on this inner part where it's almost kind of wet, for some reason lip stains just really cling to that area of my lips in particular, and then that outer edge. So those are the spots where most of the product is going to like hang on the longest, and it tends to wear away most in the center portion of my lips. But of course if you're reapplying it, that's super simple to do, but as I kind of wear it, it definitely does kind of give me a slight lip liner-ish look if the color has faded. These also have a slight strawberry scent and kind of flavor to them as well, which I think is really nice. It smells really kind of like a strawberry candy, which I think is cute. So overall, I give these a buy. I think they are so adorable, and Korean beauty products will just never cease to amaze me at their cuteness and their innovativeness. And I know some people think it's childish looking or tacky packaging. It brings me some of like the most happiness in my life. So I really enjoy just how fun and youthful Korean beauty products can be. So I definitely give these a buy. And yeah, hopefully this video was helpful in helping you guys make a decision if you wanted to buy these or not. But yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.